Wow, look at this tractor. It brought us all kinds of animals to learn about today. Let's see what the first one is. Our first animal is Pink. Does anybody know what this is?
I'm a pig, I like to eat. Grapes and fruit are my favorite treat. I'm Perry, I'm a pig. P is for pig, I'm a peaceful pig.
Look at his curly tail.
I can sing really well. I really love my curly tail.
All right, let's stick. If you notice, he's on wheels. He can move all over. Ooh! Next animal is a cow.
I'm Claire. I'm a cow. C is for cow. I'm a caring cow. My milk helps my baby grow strong. I'm ready to have fun with my friends at the farm. I'm a cow, a caring cow. I really love the farm.
Our cow is white and black. Our third animal is, can anybody guess? What is this one?
With me.
I'm a rooster. I love to crow. Crowing with the morning sun is so much fun. I'm Reggie. I'm a regal rooster.
Let's sing a song. Let's get going and move along.
R is for rooster. I'm a regal rooster.
He's our rooster.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Hello. From my perch up high. Sing with me under the sky.
Last but not least, we have one more animal. Do you see his beak? I bet you know what this is.
I'm Helen. I'm a horse. I am a horse. I love to run. Let's go play and have some fun. Yippee! H is for horse. I'm a helpful horse. Let's gallop, let's play, let's explore today.
All right. So we have our pink pig. That was the first one that we learned about today. We have our white and black cow. That's the second one we learned about today. We have our white and brown and red rooster. That's the third one we learned about today. And our last animal is the horse, of course. And he is brown with a little bit of white and an even smaller amount, a tiny amount of black on the mane and the tail. Nay! All right, see you later, farm animals.